Hi everyone. Today we are discuss about the concept of Introduction of Human Resource Management continuous part 2. Today we are learn about the areas are the authorities of human resource management. This includes line and staff assets, the role of human resource departments, the human resource policies, the difference between the personnel management and human resource management. And the last one, this chapter is the EHR. So let's go to discuss about one by one. The line and staff aspects of human resource management. We divided the authority by two divisions, that's a line and staff authority. First of all, we know that the definition of authority. What is authority? The authority is the right to make any decision to direct the work of others and to give orders. For example, to the authority, that is, when we go to bank or any other firms, we can see the front of authority managers. He or she do the decision about any problems occurring time, and he do some works at the authority signs. First we learn about the staff authority. That is, the authority gives rise to the manager to advise other managers or employees. That is, ex-managers deals with equal position Y manager. The dealing means this time that is advice or any other matters. The another one is the line authority. The authority of managers to direct people in his or her own department. This authority directly deals with the people. That is why we call the line authority. Another one is the same meaning, but the terms are changed. That a line manager. A manager who is authorized to direct the work of subordinates, and he is responsible for accomplishing the organizational task. The next, staff managers. A manager who assists the advice lines manager. Next, we see about the human resource responsibilities of line and staff managers. First, see the line managers. The managers are the bosses. They directly the work of subordinates in pursuit of accomplishing their organizational goals. So, some of examples of the human resource responsibilities of line managers are to place the right persons on the right jobs, orientate new employees, train employees for jobs new to them, improve the job performance of each person, gain creative cooperations and developing smooth working relationship, interpret the company's policies and procedures, control cost, develop the abilities of each person, maintain morale, protect employees' health and safety and physical conditions. Another one is the human resource management responsibilities of staff managers. It's the staff managers' assets that advise line managers in accomplishing these basic goals. They do, however, need to work in partnership with each other to be successful. Some examples of the human resource manager responsibilities of staff managers include assistance of hiring, training, evaluating, rewarding, counseling, promoting and feeding of employees, and administrating various benefits programs. Next topic is the role for the human resource departments that are divided: administrative, operational and employees advocate, strategics. First we learn about the administrative. In the work for the firm for human resource, that the focusing, administration and record keeping include essential legal paperwork, human implementation and counseling, advising and providing welfare. The next one is the operational and employees advocate. This is to be refers the strategic way to identify employees managing most HR acts in keeping with their strategy. The managing most HR activities in keeping with the strategies and operations that have been identified by management and serving as the employees' compensations for employee issues and concurrence. The last one is the strategics. It refers to be the strategic way to relate human capital, helping to define the strategic relative to human capital and its contribution to organizational results. The another topic is the human resource policies. The many more policies are in the human resource management that are the system codifying established of the organization to support administrative personnel function, performance management, employees relations and human resource planning. The normally policies term is refers to be policies is the deliberate system of guidelines to guide decisions and achieve rational outcomes. A policy is a statement of intent and is implemented as the procedure protocol. So for the examples are the human resource management policies, selection policies, compensation policies, training and development policies, transfer policies, etc. So the last one concept of this chapter is EHR. The EHR is the electronic human resource management process and transmit digitalized human resource information. EHR is the application of IT for human resource practice that enable easy interaction between employees, personal data, performance management, training, requirements and strategic organizations. This is advancement of technology has helped human resource to deliver transactional service online allows to focus more on strategic issues. Human resource functions that have been performed though use of technologies are play role. Employee benefits, scheduling, recurring, training, career development. Human resource face to more of the challenges that are the environmental and organizational challenges and individual challenges. The environmental challenges occurs the rapid change, workforce diversity, globalization, legislations involving work and family roles, skills shortage. The next one is the organizational challenges that are the competitive position, decentralization, downsizing, organizational restructuring, self-management work term, leadership development, change management, technology, outsourcing. The last one is the individual challenges that are the matching peoples and organization, ethical dilemmas and social responsibility, empowered and brain drain, job insecurity, productivities of individuals. So today we are covered full of the introduction part. Anyone is not to see part 1 videos, please check the I button to show to get some of the introduction knowledge. If anyone want to give any suggestion for my videos, that helps to I will to try to do more and more videos to upgraded levels. So please give your supports and make sure your like and subscriptions and sharing your friends to spread these videos and information knowledge. Thank you everyone. Be safe and take care. Bye.